John Twist of University Motors. Today we've got another exciting episode of MG and auto restoration. Today is the rule of three. So when you're reassembling a car, almost anyone, almost any time, every part goes on, then it's got to come off because the other part's got to go behind it, and then it's got to come off again because there's yet another part behind that. So those of you who've done restorations, even if you've done a bunch, you know that this is the truth. Let's go inside this car right now and we'll see the rule of at least two. So my daughter and I put this tunnel carpet down. It's form fitted, it's really nice, and we fit screws, self-tapping interior screws down underneath to hold it really snug. It was looking really great, really smart. Tucked in tightly, she sat on it while I screwed it in and everything. But today, she said, "What are these screws?" and showed me these 1/4-inch rusty screws here, these 1/4-inch screws, and I said, "Oh, those are the screws that go in this panel. And this panel goes underneath this carpeting." She said, "Oh, so even though we put the carpeting already in all the way, we have to take it off to put that on?" And I said, "Well, we only have to take off half the carpet." So we just undid the screws from that side. We can peel this guy back and access the area that this plate is supposed to go in. So it is the rule of three. It is the rule of three. So I just want to let everyone know that you are not alone, and that all of us, everywhere, all the time, make the same mistake. So just take your time, think about it, do the best you can. Until my next video, safety fast.